Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here to show you what I'm going to be using in my next project. Okay, so I have this lovely little doll that was gifted to me. I have some pearls and some trim, my fabric, some Velcro, a little music box, well, make that 2 music boxes, some wire, some lights, a little Bible, some ribbon, and a Renews It air freshener. I'm also going to be using needle and thread, a pattern for her dress, maybe some hot glue. I know I'm going to use Fabri-Tac. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I upload a video, or when I do a premiere. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, take care now.